So we have our Harlequin Tesla, love it. The Harlequin Model Y looking so sharp. And then we have EV John on the back with the Pennsylvania new Liberty Bell format. Oh my gosh, folks, you aren't going to believe this. I just opened up the app and look what the app now shows. Welcome back to a quick episode of EV John Adventures on YouTube. Now, longtime viewers of my channel will know that not only am I a Tesla fan, but I'm also a Volkswagen fan. I've had multiple Volkswagens over the years, and in fact, I was first on the list at my dealer to get an ID Buzz before it was delayed and delayed and delayed. That's how I wound up with this Tesla. However, still love Volkswagens, still love the 90s, and I have always been a fan of the Volkswagen Harlequin. Here's my Matchbox version of it. This was a 90s creation from Volkswagen, and what they did is they took Polos and Golfs and swapped the panels out and made some distinct multicolor options. This is so 90s and so quirky Volkswagen. I love it. Now, with this latest update for Tesla, I just downloaded the 2025 holiday update, and this gives us a new feature called the Paint Shop. This comes with multiple pre-made wraps that you can do on your Tesla. You could always change the color with the colorizer. I kept mine blue because I have a blue Tesla, but now they give you the ability to not only choose some pre-designed ones, but you can actually make your own wraps for your Tesla that show up on the screen and maybe even in the app on your phone. So I've gone ahead and designed one. I've loaded it in the thumb drive. Let's take a look and see how it looks on the screen. Did I do it right? Are Volkswagen fans going to love this or hate it? Are Tesla fans going to love this or hate it? Let's take a look now and find out. Okay, let's take a look and see if my custom design worked. This is legitimately my first time going in here. So to access the custom design, we need to go to the toy box, which I have right here, and boom, right in the first we have Paint Shop. We also have Photo Booth, which is new. I'll try that later. Tron, which updated before. Santa Mode, which we'll play later. But Paint Booth is what we want. And let's take a look at our custom wrap. We can see blue right now is what we have. And right here, I can change the color, whatever I want. If I want to have a green Tesla, I can go ahead and save that. If I want to go back to my blue, I can. My Tesla is named Blue Racer, so I like the blue. But let's take a look at the wrap and see if my custom design is showing up. Oh boy, oh wow, it already applied it. You can see all the different versions they give you, but the custom one I added is right on top. And oh my, now we have a Harlequin Tesla Model Y. How did we do? Let's take a look at the Matchbox car template. I think we hit it pretty dang good. That is awesome. So this has the yellow rear quarter and the yellow roof. It's got the teal bumper, the red fender, the blue hood, the teal door in the front, the blue door in the back. That is amazing. I love it. That is incredible. Oh my goodness. A Harlequin Tesla. It is perfection. I'm a huge, huge fan. Way to go, Tesla, to make this. That is super cool. Absolutely love it. Okay, now that we have this done, let's go take a look at the license plate. Back to the toy box. We can do customize. We'll tap license plate. And I did drop a couple in here. So I actually took a photo of my plate and cropped it really tight as the back. And that does show up here. And that's actually an actual photo of my actual license plate, which does show up here. Now, I also grabbed and made a custom blank. So let me just go ahead and do that as the background, which also shows up here and is maybe a little bit more appropriate. This is the new Pennsylvania design, which I think is pretty cool, by the way. So let's go ahead and enter the number, and the background should be a dark blue. And instead of my real license plate number, let's just say that we are EV John on my license plate number, because, you know, that's what I want. And there we go. I love it. EV John on a Pennsylvania license plate. We have this is amazing. So we have our Harlequin Tesla, love it. The Harlequin Model Y looking so sharp. And then we have EV John on the back with a Pennsylvania new Liberty Bell format. Tesla knocked it out of the park with this update. The only other thing I'm really curious to check is this going to appear in the app? So let's take a look. Oh my gosh, folks, you aren't going to believe this. I just opened up the app and look what the app now shows. Boom. My Harlequin Tesla is there. It is in the app, plugged in and charging up. That is absolutely amazing. Tesla's attention to detail is incredible. I love that. There's the Harlequin Volkswagen in the app. There's the Harlequin Volkswagen. I should say Tesla, not Volkswagen. There's the Harlequin Tesla right there on the main screen. Way to go, Tesla. And again, boy, did we totally nail it. That's awesome. I was so excited by that update that I forgot to film the outro. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. I like to make this kind of content, bringing you along on the different adventures I have with my EV, whether it's just playing with the software or whether it's going on a road trip or whatever. So like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on another one again soon.